Good day, everybody. This is Dr. Nandi. I'm back again. Today, I'm going to talk about solving quadratic equation in algebra. So without further ado, I'll share my screen with you. So here's the problem. It says for the following function, f of x is equal to x minus 3x. Find all values of a for which f of a is equal to 2. Okay. So for x, I'm going to substitute uh, x is equal to a in the original equation or original function. Okay. And we know the functional value when x is equal to a is 2. So it becomes a minus 3 over a is equal to 2. Why 2? Because the functional value of x at a equal to 2 is given to us. Now on the left hand side of the equal to sign, we have a square by a. For a, I'm writing a square by a minus 3 over a equal to 2. And we are writing it as a square by a for a, the first term, because we want to keep the common denominator as a. So a square divided by a is a. Therefore, we can write instead of a as a square by a minus 3 over a equal to 2. So my common denominator on the left-hand side of the equal to sign is a, and in the numerator, I have a square minus 3 equal to 2. Okay. Now I multiply by 2 on both sides of the multiply by a on both sides of the equation. So when I multiply by a on both sides of the equal to sign, what happens is on the left hand side, a, when I multiply by a, it can in the numerator, it cancels with a in the denominator, and on the left hand side of the equal to sign, I get a square minus 3, and equal to sign on the right hand side multiplying by a, I get 2a. Now I will subtract 2a from both sides of the equal to sign. Therefore, I get on the left-hand side of the equal to sign, a square minus 2a minus 3 equal to 0. And I will need to factor this. So easy way to solve this is to look for the factors of 3, which will result in minus 2 when added together. So factors of 3 is the constant term. Factors of 3 which will result in minus 2 when added together. Two factors added together will result in minus 2. Why I need to make that? Because minus 2 is the coefficient of small a. Okay. And the factors of the constant term, you can think of minus 3, two factors which will add up to minus 2, and those are minus 3 and 1. Minus 3 times 1 will give you minus 3. So for minus 2a, I can write a square is already there. For minus 2a, I'm writing plus a minus 3a. In algebra, we do not write 1. So it is 1a minus 3a, which will be minus 2a. Therefore, I can split up minus 2a into 1a minus 3a, and I do not write the 1 in front of the a for the first term, of a. Okay, so it becomes a square plus a minus 3a minus 3. Then we will factor in pair in taking two terms together. So the first two terms are a square plus a. From that, the common factor out is a. When I take out a from the first two terms, I'm left in the parenthesis a plus 1. From the next two, minus 3a minus 3, the common factor is minus 3. And I take that out. And we are left with a plus 1 in the parenthesis. Now we notice a plus 1 in parenthesis is common in both the terms. So we take out a plus 1 and we are left with a minus 3. And that is equal to 0 on the right hand side. So a plus 1 times a minus 3 is equal to 0. So either a plus 1 is equal to 0. You subtract minus 1 on both sides and you get a is equal to minus 1. Or a minus 3 is equal to 0. You add 3 on both sides and get a equal to 3. So what are the possible values of a for which f of a is equal to 2? Are minus 1, comma 3, minus 1 and 3. And you write it like this in parentheses. minus 1 comma 3, which means these are the two values of a for which f of a is equal to 2. I'll stop here today. If you have any question, please write me a comment and I will reply to you immediately. Okay. And also please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button, red subscribe button in the bottom right corner. And I'll get back each week with new problems which I will solve step by step. So I want you to succeed in math. Okay. So thanks for watching. Take care and have a nice day. And I will see you next time.